Before we begin, huge thanks to the Agno team. And guess what? Everything you're seeing today comes straight from the Agent with Knowledge P example from Agno's official GitHub. Now, let me hit you with a question. What if I told you that you could build a knowledgeable, memory powered AI agent, something enterprises pay millions for using, just few lines of Python? Sounds insane, right? Well, buckle up because Agno makes the impossible feel effortless. Let's jump in. So, what is Agno? Agno is a modular AI agent framework built for developers who want production ready agents without the complexity. Why is it relevant today? Because in 2025, everyone realizes that LLMs alone aren't enough. You need memory, knowledge, retrieval, state, and orchestration all working together like a real thinking system. Agno gives you that architecture out of the box. Lean, composable, enterprise ready. And the best part, you build with Lego like components. Simple, powerful, future proof. Think of an Agno agent like a human brain. Four core components working in perfect harmony. The model, that's the brain doing the thinking, the knowledge layer, your library of information, the vector database, the index that makes searching lightning fast, and the database, your long term memory. Agno's philosophy, pure modularity. You snap these pieces together like Lego blocks. Simple, powerful, elegant. First up, memory. Every great agent needs to remember past conversations. We are using PostgreSQL here, and Agno makes it plug and play. Two lines of code, and boom, your agent has long term memory. Want to swap in a different database? Change one line. That's the power of modularity. Next, the knowledge layer. This is what makes your agent truly knowledgeable. It handles retrieval augmented generation or RAG. Your agent ingests documents, converts them into searchable vectors, and pulls relevant context when needed. Two components make this magic happen, an embedder and a vector database. Let's break them down. Um, The embedder's job, convert text into numbers, specifically embeddings. These are numerical representations that capture meaning. We import OpenAI embedder from Agno knowledge embedder dot OpenAI, then configure it using the ID parameter not model. Here we're using text embeddings, three small with 1536 dimensions. Agno integrates seamlessly with all the leading embedding providers. One interface, endless options. Now, the vector database stores those embeddings and performs blazing fast similarity searches. We import both PG vector and search type from Agno. Notice the search type uses the search type hybrid enumeration, not a string. This combines semantic search with traditional keyword matching for the best possible results. With the embedder and vector database defined, we instantiate the knowledge component. This single object now encapsulates your entire RAG pipeline. Time to pick the brain. The model is your LLM, the engine powering reasoning and responses. We import the Claude class from Agno. Notice the specific path. We instantiate it using ID equals Claude Sonnet 4.5, but want to swap in GPT-4 or Gemini? One line. That is it. Pluggable intelligence, literally. The final step, bring it all together. We instantiate the agent, passing in our model, knowledge base, and database. This declarative approach makes your agent's capabilities crystal clear at a glance. Everything you need visible in 5 lines of code. But wait, there's more. Agno gives you simple flags to fine tune behavior. Want conversation history automatically included? Set add history to context equals true. Need timestamps? Turn on add date time to context. Want markdown output? One flag. It's all about making your agent smarter with zero complexity. Your agent's knowledge base starts empty. Time to fill it. The knowledge component has a straightforward add content method. The add underscore content method takes two parameters, a name for identification and a URL to fetch from. Point it at the Agno documentation URL and it handles everything: fetching, chunking, embedding, automatic, seamless. Your agent now knows Agno inside and out. Now for the moment of truth. We call agent print underscore response with our question and set stream equals true for real time output. The agent springs into action. Step 1, search the knowledge base for relevant docs. Step 2, retrieve the best matches. Step 3, prompt the model with context. Step 4, stream the response back in real time. The entire RAG process handled by one method call, built-in streaming support for an incredible user experience. Here is what makes Agno special. Modular RAG isolate your data pipeline. Stateful memory add long-term history effortlessly. Pluggable intelligence swap LLMs with one line. And orchestration clear declarative composition. Let's bring it all home. Look at this complete example, 25 lines. That's it. You are importing modules, defining a knowledge base, configuring your language model, and instantiating an agent with memory and reg. Let's build it together.